Icing sugar versus powdered sugar, culinary twins?
Hello, budding chefs and sugar enthusiasts. Today, we're here to delve into a sweet mystery. Can icing sugar and powdered sugar be used interchangeably in recipes? Let's find out.
What is icing sugar?
Icing sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar in different parts of the world, is a finely ground sugar. It's typically mixed with a small amount of anti-caking agent to prevent clumping. This kind of sugar is frequently used in baking, especially in the preparation of icings, frostings, and other sweet toppings.
What is powdered sugar?
Let's now discuss powdered sugar. Turns out, powdered sugar is just another name for icing sugar. So, in essence, they're the same thing. It's quite common for different regions to use different names for the same product, and this is a perfect example of that.
Can they be used interchangeably?
Now to answer the big question, can they be used interchangeably? Yes, they can. Since icing sugar and powdered sugar are the same thing, they can indeed be used interchangeably in recipes. There would be no difference in taste, texture, or other characteristics of your baked goods whether you use icing sugar or powdered sugar. So, there you have it. The sweet truth has been revealed. Icing sugar and powdered sugar are one and the same, and either can be used in your recipes. Now you can confidently use them in your future culinary adventures. We hope you found this clarification helpful and sweetly satisfying. Happy baking, everyone!